So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw in the Canva mobile app. So once you have the Canva mobile app open up on your iPad or your iPhone, next thing I want you to do is obviously go to this bottom left hand side of the screen to where this little purple circle is. I want you to press on this little purple circle. Now, as you're here, as you can tell, I am actually on the Elements tab. What I want you to do is slide this bar all the way at the bottom, all the way to the right. In between text and projects, there's actually this draw option. I want you to press on this draw option right here at the bottom. Once you're on this screen, you actually have a bunch of different drawing options you can select from. So if I want to press this current bar that I have right now, it actually will just draw this. So I'll just, draw whatever, type in very messily, write the word draw. If I wanted to add the highlighter, I can add the highlighter, add some strokes. It doesn't really matter. If I want to add this option right here, I can press on the little blue pen and sort of create options that way. Now, if I want to, maybe let's just say press the marker, for example, and change the color of the marker. I'll change the color right here by pressing on the red. I will then scroll down and change this marker to green. I will exit out of that. Now, if I want to change the thickness of the marker, right beside the green square, there's an option where there's those three little lines. Press on the three little lines, and where it says weight, I'm just going to drag weight all the way to the right and change the thickness of this marker. So now when I draw with this green marker, as you can tell, it is now a lot thicker than I was before. So if I like that design, I'm just going to actually press the draw option again, or actually press this arrow right here and press done. And that is basically how you guys can draw using the Canva mobile app. I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.